It is a common belief that earning money is hard, but what if I tell you that you can get paid to leak your own call recordings? This new app has already climbed to top 2 in the App Store. This video covers everything that's worth knowing, so let's get into it. Imagine an app that pays you to record your phone calls. It sounds like a joke at first, but this week, that exact app climbed to number 2 on Apple's US App Store in social networking. It is called Neon Mobile, and its pitch is simple. Make phone calls, let it record your side of the conversation, and get paid hundreds or even thousands of dollars a year, according to its marketing. At first glance, it sounds like a dream side hustle, except it is not that simple. Your private conversations become the product. Neon says it pays about 30 cents per minute when you call other Neon users and up to $30 per day for calls to anyone else. It also pays for referrals. The app leapt from ranking number 476 to number 2 in a matter of days. But the real business model is in the fine print. Neon sells the audio to AI companies to train and test machine learning systems. You might think that means just your voice snippets. But Neon's terms give the company a worldwide, transferable, royalty-free license to sell, host, modify, and distribute your recordings in any media format, now known or developed in the future. That is far broader than most users realize. If you are worried about wiretap laws, Neon says it only records your side of the call unless it is with another Neon user. But privacy attorneys note this could be a way to avoid legal consent requirements while still capturing, essentially, the entire conversation. And because the company anonymizes only names, emails, and phone numbers, your voice could still be used to build impersonation models or deepfakes. It is tempting to think the App Store must have vetted all this, but Neon's rise shows how far AI has crept into one's private areas. The fact it is ranking so high means there is now a market of people willing to swap privacy for pennies and potentially expose their contacts without consent. Neon says its goal is to democratize AI training data and let users profit from it, but it does not disclose its partners or what those companies can do downstream with your recordings. Even if Neon itself is trustworthy, the data could leak or be resold, and once your voice is out there, it can be cloned. You might argue that people already give their data away to social platforms, yet past scandals from Facebook, paying teens to install spyware, to VPN apps, harvesting browsing data, show people often do not understand what they are trading away. The difference here is that Neon puts the price tag right up front. Legal experts warn that even one-sided recordings can create risks for everyone on the call. Once AI models are trained on that data, you cannot pull it back. In the end, an app that promises easy money for your audio may sound like a side hustle, but it is really a reminder of how far the AI data economy is reaching into everyday life and how much of your privacy you're willing to sell.